Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make this. This animation can be used as great opener for your videos. To create this video you will need Filmora 12. Before we start the video, go in my description, and get a subscription on Elements Envato for the best stock footage. Also don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Flat Media. Firstly go in Titles tab and drag and drop default title. Then click on Advance. Press the trash bin icon to remove text. Then click on Shapes, and click on Rectangle. Remove the text, and make one line. I choose this orange color. Remove Shape Border and click Apply. Make sure your line is on the center. Now you will need to take a snapshot. Now remove text layer, and put snapshot into your timeline twice. Extend it a little bit. Cut the last snapshot a little. Then go in Transition tab. And search for Linear Wipe Transition. Drag and drop into your cutted snapshot. It will look like this. For better effect, make duration of the clip smaller. Now double-click on first snapshot. Make sure you are on Transform tab. And make a keyframe. Go forward for about 5 to 6 frames. And increase height to 77. Now do the same with another snapshot. Double-click on it. Make a keyframe on first frame. And make sure where last keyframe of the first snapshot ends, and make another keyframe on second snapshot on the same position. But now make height -77. For better effect, make keyframes closer to each other. To look just like this. Then go in Titles tab. Import title to your timeline here. I will type Flat Media, with Montserrat font. Also I will increase letter spacing to 5. Now go in Transition tab. And search for Row Split Transition. Drag and put it on the beginning of the text. Now you will need to adjust the time of transition. You need to make text to appears when lines opens a little bit. For better effect, try to make this as close as you can. As you can see, I can't make it on the first time. You will need more attempts to make this precise. If you need, make your keyframes more closer. This will take some time, but this is the most important of all process. We are done, let's see final result. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe to Flat Media.